Hi everybody, my name is Edmund from holdthatword.com, and in this video session I'm going to be showing you guys how to create quiz decks. So we're going to start by clicking on make quiz decks or quizzes up here, assuming you've already signed into your account. Alright, once you get on this page, you'll see up here where it says quiz decks. Make sure you're in that section if you've done everything correctly. Now what you do next is you click on the add tab to add your first quiz deck. Then you'll get this box right here. You put in your title and description and fill out the rest of the information like you did when you were creating a flashcard deck. If you haven't seen that, I advise you to watch that video also. I'm going to go ahead and put in a title and description now. Alright, I just finished putting in my title and description, so now I'm going to select the subject that my deck is falling under, which will be math, since we're doing multiplication. We'll select the level 6th grade and we'll leave the language on English. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to upload a picture from my hard drive to be on the front of my deck. Alright, I just finished uploading my picture from my hard drive, and this is going to be the picture that will show on the front cover of my deck. Now, like I said, if you watched my previous video tutorials about making flashcards, you'll know that if you were to check this box next to premium, then you would put in a price that your quiz deck would sell for to one member, and over here where it says price for class, that's where you would put in the price that the quiz deck would sell for more than one member. So again, we're going to leave this blank since it's just an example deck and click on save. Alright, here's our deck that we just created. What you do next is you click on the deck and you scroll down to the bottom page, and then you'll see this page right here. This is where you click on the plus sign to add your first quiz card to the deck. I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus sign. Alright, then you would come to this page where it says create quiz card. Now I'm going to start from the top and select on points. My quiz card is going to be worth 2 points, so I'm just going to go ahead and select 2. In the question box, I'm going to put in my question, which is 4 times 5. Let's say, for instance, you could choose to put in an image, video, and audio. I've showed you guys how to do that in the flashcard tutorials, so if you haven't watched that and don't know how to insert the image, video, and audio, you could go ahead and look at the make flashcards video and find out how to do that. Now you could choose for your answers, you could choose true or false. If you were to choose true or false, then you would have to put in the answer over here. So I'm going to do that and just put 4 times 5 equals 20, and over here I'll select true because it's the correct answer. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on save. There, here's my true or false question. It's worth 2 points. I put in 4 times 5 equals 20. Now whoever would be taking this test would have to select if the answer I put in is either true or false. Now I'm going to add another quiz card by selecting the plus sign again. Alright, again I'm going to select on the points, make it 5 or whatever you'd like. I'm just going to go ahead and select 5. My next question would be 5 times, let's say, 10. Now for this question I'm going to select multiple choices. Alright, you have the option to add as many multiple choices as you want. I'm going to add the first one, and my answer is going to be, I don't know, let's say 100. And if this is the correct answer, then you would go ahead and click on this circle right here, and that would mean that this is the correct answer. I'm going to leave that blank because that's not the correct answer, and I'm going to add another multiple choice answer. This next one is going to be the correct answer, so we'll select 50. and then we'll select this circle right here because this is going to be the correct answer. Once you select on it, it'll show the correct word next to the circle. I'm going to go ahead and click on another multiple choice answer and make this one 500. And I'm going to leave this blank. But let's say if this was another one of your incorrect answers and you accidentally clicked on correct, then all you have to do is just click on the correct answer. Let's say if this was it, you would go ahead and select the circle over here and it would automatically jump to the correct answer. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the correct one and just click on save. Alright, here's my second card, and this one is multiple choices. This one is true or false. I'm going to make one last one. Alright, now I put the points at 2. This card is worth 2 points. Now I'm going to put in a question. Alright, I've put in my question. This is going to be a written question with a written answer. So I'm going to scroll down and select on fill in the blank. Click on the plus sign. And my answer is going to be $31.50. I'm going to go ahead and click on save. Alright, here we go. We created 3 different types of questions. One fill in the blank, the next multiple choice, and the other true or false. It's really easy and it's really fun. So give it a try. I'm going to show you guys one last thing, is how to incorporate your flashcards to your quiz decks so you have something to study with and then take your quiz. Now you do that by clicking on flashcards over here where it's next to the cards, and over here it says no associated study decks. You do that by clicking on the manage associations. When you get this box right here, you scroll down and find your flashcard deck that you want to associate to the quiz deck. Now I'm going to go ahead and associate my 6th grade math decks to this over here, 6th grade math introduction to multiplication. I'm going to go ahead and check this box right here and click on associate. Here we go, we've associated one of our flashcard decks to our quiz deck. So this page would be where you take your quiz, and in order to study for your quiz you'd have flashcards associated to the quiz, which is right here. So you would just go to this section, study your questions, study what you want to learn, and then come over here and take your test. That's all for this video. Stay tuned because we will have more videos coming up shortly. Thank you for watching, you guys.